You don't need a PhD in phonics to teach your child to read. My name is Danae Aboa. I'm a reading specialist, and welcome to our Learn to Read series. It's perfect for brand new readers and struggling readers. If you're new here, head here to check out lesson 1. And if you're all caught up on the lessons already, let's keep going. Welcome to Workout 20. Today we've got 2 new heart words to learn that are going to help us in our reading because they're really common, but they are spelled very strangely. So this is the first one that we're going to talk about. This is the word was. Now if I was to go sound this word out, it would actually sound like w-a-s, was. So there's a couple sounds in there that definitely don't sound like was. The W does sound like a W, so I'm going to keep that one. But the part that I need to remember by heart is this part right here. Because normally that says ass, and now we needed to say uz for was. So I'm going to put a heart above this section because we need to remember that that part has a special sound when it's within this word. So when I see this word, we say was. Now our other heart word that we're going to learn today is this word. This is the word of. Now if I was to go sound it out, I would say off. Now off actually has 2 F's, but if you come across a word that looks like this and it has only 1 F, it's actually the word of. Now I'm going to put a line under both of those because neither one of those are in the word of. We don't hear an o in of, and we don't hear a f in of. We hear a v. So I'm going to go ahead and put a heart above that one as well. Those are both heart words. So when you're practicing writing those, I want you to include the heart above this part and above this whole word, just so that you start to remember, oh yeah, when I see that word, I need to remember that it has a special sound. Okay, so go ahead and practice writing was and of on your sheet. Great work. Now you can go ahead and go on your sentence hunt to find out where the was and ofs are within those sentences. Go see how many you can find. All right, well, you've practiced was and you've practiced of, and now they're going to be part of your gravity game. So go ahead and ask your reading coach if they can get your set up on Workout 20 and have them get started on that game, and was and of are now part of your game. So watch out for those ones and you'll be a super reader when you read those as well. Have fun.